You know, in making these videos, there's all sorts of mishaps, and luckily I could edit most of them out. But, you know, if you hear the click, 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 that's usually Oliver and Cody circling the kitchen island here when I'm doing these. And notorious, the phone, I got to always remember to turn my phone off because sometimes it rings, or UPS or someone will be ringing the doorbell. Anyway, there's tons of mishaps. I'm just having fun. I hope you enjoy these videos. I'm sure I'll be getting better as time goes along, but as long as you're with me and we're having fun and we're making good food, that's all that matters, right? Hey guys, it's Kevin from Kevin is Cooking. Thanks for showing up. And whether in this kitchen or out on the grill, you're going to find tasty comfort food meals inspired by my international pantry. Today we're going to be making chicken divan. It's an old classic comfort food, but this isn't your mama's chicken divan. Nope. No canned soups, no sour cream, and with less butter, it's even better for you. So if that sounds good, let's get into it. So we'll start off by cutting up the broccoli. We're just going to use the top part, and we're going to cut off the stem. Save that for another thing, either soup or whatever, or you can toss it. And then we're going to pan fry it, get a little roasty brown going on it. And then we're going to steam it with some chicken stock. Okay, next we're going to dice up a shallot. All right, now that the shallot is diced, let's set this aside. Runaway shallot. All right, so let's chop up the chicken. Got about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken. Now we'll wash our hands because we just touched raw chicken. We're going to clean this board, and we're going to steam the broccoli. Let's do it. I have a saute pan here with some olive oil in it, getting really hot. We're going to brown the broccoli, and then, ooh, listen to that action. And then we'll steam it with some chicken broth. So now that we've slightly browned the broccoli, we're going to pour in some chicken stock, and we'll cover it, and we'll steam it a little, and then we'll set it aside and we'll cook up the chicken. All right, now that the broccoli is steamed a little, let's remove it, and then we're going to cook up the chicken. So now that we have the chicken brown, we're going to turn it off, put it in a 13x9 pan, put the broccoli on top, and then we're going to make the sauce that goes over that, and then it goes under the broiler to get crispy with some Panko breadcrumbs. Let's do it. Now that the chicken and broccoli are taken care of, let's make that sauce that goes over it all. We're going to start off with the same pan with all the little bits and pieces from the chicken and the broccoli, and that's all good flavor stuff. And we're going to put in the butter and get that melting, and then start sauteing the shallots. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my updated chicken divan. And don't forget, life's too short to be bland. See you next time. All right, you guys, there's a lot of dishes. You got to earn your keep today.